Hello, welcome to iCommunity. In this video, we are going to show you how you can register and start using the iCommunity platform in just a few minutes to certify data on the blockchain. We start here on the main website, where you can access the platform by clicking on the iBS platform and iBS Access. Once on the login page, we will log in or create an account if we don't have one yet. Let's see how simple it is. Fill out this form with your name, email, and password. If you have a purchase coupon or registration code, enter it here. Before completing the registration, take some time to carefully read the terms of use and privacy policy. And now we're ready to begin. Log in with your email and password and you'll be in the dashboard. Before making our first blockchain record, we need to create a signature. The signature serves to create a digital identity linked to your legal identity, ensuring the authorship and ownership of the data being certified. This provides legal security for the records. To create a signature, first give it a name that you'll use to identify later. Then click the Start button, which will redirect you to the identity verification process. Here, choose the type of identity you want to verify, whether individual or legal entity, and create a password that will be used to encrypt the identification data you send us. It's crucial to save this password in a secure place, as it will be needed to decrypt the documents and verify the signer's identity. Click the Start button, which will redirect you to the automated identity verification process. Next, grant permission to our partner to access your computer's camera. If you don't have a camera, you can also complete the process using a mobile device. Once the verification process begins, follow the steps and instructions that appear at the bottom of the screen. Once the signature is created, we can confirm its status here and see that the registration is complete. Now, to make a record on the blockchain, or evidence as we call it here at iCommunity, just go to Evidences. The first thing we need to choose for our new evidence is a title, which will be recorded in the certification so we can identify it later. We also need to select one or more signatures that will sign the evidence. The signatures will be reflected on the blockchain through a link to the signer's encrypted identification documents. Then add the other file or files. This content is not stored as is. Instead, we capture the digital fingerprint of each file and text in the form of a checksum. As you can see here on the side, we can review exactly what we'll see in the blockchain record once the process is complete. When we have all the content to certify, select Certify Evidence, and that's it. You can scroll down here to see the list of all the evidence in your account and check that everything has been processed correctly. Here we can verify the record and get more information about the evidence, the network where it was made, and its hash on the blockchain. We can also break down more details about the evidence, such as the block number and confirmations, as well as generate a PDF with the transaction data that we can download or print. If you wish, you can also go to the network's own explorer, where the transaction was made, and confirm all the details we mentioned earlier. If you scroll down to Input Data and change the data display format, you can see exactly what was stored on the blockchain, the signature identifier and where to find its identity, the evidence title, and the content information, just as we saw at the time of registration. That's the basics you need to start registering on the blockchain with the iCommunity platform. But there's much more. In the API documentation, you will find all the technical information you need, including detailed video tutorials like this one, where we show you how to connect to your API. With iCommunity, you can easily bring the power of blockchain to all your projects.